Are you the CEO or an executive of a faith or a value-based company, and you're faced with one of the difficult challenges of implementing a machine learning solution? And you're trying to figure out what is the best way of approaching it because you're concerned about what will happen once you roll it, and you're not sure if the adoption is going to be the way you want it? If that's the case, here is one tip I want to share with you that's going to make sure that once you have that machine learning solution in place, it's going to be accepted by your business teams and that it will be used the way you would like it to be. Hello, my name is Fahim Karim, and I am an employee engagement expert, and I work with companies that are faith and value-based by creating a safe container where managers and employees get to express their opinion freely and their ideas without being put down. Your managers get to lead and listen, and employees feel empowered and part of the team, and your company continues to grow and innovate while maintaining the talent, whether working remotely or in your working back in your offices. And as someone with more than 22 years of experience working in one of the most largest financial institutions with multiple complex projects and systems, along with my certification in implementing machine learning in businesses from MIT, I would love to share this one tip with you that you will find very helpful when it comes to making decisions on strategically implementing machine learning solution. So the tip that I want to share with you today has to do with what are some of the main things to consider when trying to put a solution or thinking about creating a machine learning solution for your business, which has to do with engaging your business stakeholders, the ones who will actually you'll be relying on using this machine learning solution. What do I mean by that? The research shows that many companies have, they've spent a great deal of budget, time, and resources hiring the best talent when it comes to machine learning, creating new solutions. However, after all that effort, when they implemented it, turns out business is not using it. Why is that? Well, it's because when these solutions were being developed, the business team wasn't engaged, whether they have the capacity to take this application when it is built to work with it. At the same time, the business may not be comfortable because they don't know what's the algorithm in the black box, right? And so if they're not comfortable with the capacity that is going to be needed for them to use this solution, if they're not comfortable with knowing all the algorithms or the logics that are put into place that is running this machine learning solution, that solution is not going to be adapted by the business. So the way to overcome that is to engage the business that are business leaders or the stakeholders that are really going to be the ones primary users of this solution. Engage them from the beginning. Ask them, what are their thoughts about it. Ask them to share their concerns so that those things are addressed when the solution is being created for them. At the same time, letting them know what is the type of resources that they need to commit to once the solution is put in, so that they're not in the dark and are not at all prepared. So if you like what you heard today, go ahead and click the link below and follow us on our Facebook business page so that you don't miss out on any of the latest tips and strategies that will help you to continue to be that leader that your teams are going to love to work with.